the breaking update that we are getting to know that Prabhakar Sel will not be attending the NCB inquiry today. That is what is being sent by also the lawyers, saying that they have not received any summons from the NCB. Yesha, what more do we know?
So now what we understand is Prabhakar Sel, he was an independent witness in the Cordelia Cruise drug bust case. Here, in fact, we have seen for the last 2 days back-to-back, he is present at the DCP Zone 1 office of Mumbai Police, wherein he is recording his statement against Sameer Wankhere. But we have also seen that the NCB vigilance team, which is in Mumbai currently, was supposed to record statements of him, Manish Bhanushali, was supposed to record statements of Prabhakar Sel, KP Gosavi, Sameer Wankhere and some other officers from the NCB team. And in fact, now we've seen that Sameer Wankhere's statement was recorded yesterday by the team already. There's a possibility that it might not happen today. The second statement to be recorded of Sameer Wankhere will not happen today. But NCB team had in fact appealed to media that these people, that is KP Gosavi as well as Prabhakar Sel, should be present before the NCB team to record their statement. But their lawyers have stated that they have received no summons from the NCB team, and which is why Prabhakar Sel will not go before the NCB team at all. In fact, he'd be going again to the Mumbai police to continue recording his statement. And in a parallel development, we saw that KP Gosavi has already been arrested by the Pune police. So even he will not appear before the NCB team. Yes.
Let me go across to Priyanka now, who is also joining us live from Mumbai. Priyanka, is it witness versus witness scenario that we are looking at as of now? Also on the other side, Sameer Wankhere's questioning continues. Yesterday, for over 3 hours that he was questioned, but he will continue to investigate the cruise liner drug bust case. What's happening there at the NCB office right now, Priyanka? Priyanka, I'm afraid we are unable to hear you. We'll just reconnect that line with you. Now, the important update that Yesha has also been pointing out to when it comes to the witness, the independent witness, Prabhakar Sel, we are told that he will not be attending the NCB inquiry today. Priyanka, if I believe we can hear you now. Yes, please continue.
Yes, what we have gotten to know is that Prabhakar Sel is skipping the summons that had been sent to him by the NCB to be appearing in front of the 5-member vigilance team that is in fact carrying out the entire investigation into the allegations that were made by this independent witness itself, Prabhakar Sel, who had made these allegations of extortion against the Narcotics Control Bureau and specifically against Sameer Wankhere. We had seen yesterday itself that Gyaneshwar Singh, who is heading this five-member vigilance team, who had stated that they will be calling all of the independent witnesses and specifically Prabhakar Sel to understand the allegations that had been leveled by him. His statement was supposed to be recorded, and also not just Prabhakar Sel but also other people who had been related to this entire matter. That includes Shah Rukh Khan's manager Pooja Dadlani and also Sam D'Souza, and the meetings that had taken place on the night of 2nd of October that were alleged by Prabhakar Sel. But now Prabhakar Sel is at the epicenter of these entire allegations, since he's the one who made these affidavit public, and he has borne the brunt for it by the NCB as well, claiming that why was this affidavit not submitted before a court of law, and why was it only shared on social media, and that's why they needed Prabhakar Sel's statement to also be recorded. But right now what we have gotten to know is that he is skipping that summons, not appearing before this 5-member vigilance team that is carrying out the inquiry against the NCB on the basis of the allegations that were leveled by him. So that really goes to show the kind of credibility that Prabhakar Sel also risks of losing by skipping this
investigation. However, when it comes to questioning and recording the statement of the witnesses, 2 of them, we are told, will not be attending. One, as far as Prabhakar Sel is concerned, he has, lawyers been saying he hasn't received the summons. On the other side, we know that Kiran Gosavi, who has already been detained in a 2018 cheating case by the Pune police, Sameer Wankhere's questioning is still underway. For the moment, Priyanka, Yesha, thanks very much to both.